Hi guys, my name is Ron Stans. I'm the CEO and engineer from EVe Audio. Today I would like to introduce you to the user interface of the TS series or subwoofer. We have 4 subwoofers on in our product line. Starts with the TS107, going to the TS108, 110 and 112. So the differences between the speakers, of course, is a size of the woofer. So the TS107 has a small 7-inch woofer, and the TS108 here on display has an 8-inch woofer, and the TS110 has a 10-inch woofer, and the TS112 has a 12-inch woofer. So let's have a closer look to the user interface. To start a subwoofer, you have to use the main power switch on the back side. After switching on, you will have normally no lights in the front. That's normal, the subwoofer is still in standby mode. Now you can press the button for the system volume, and then you can see that the LED ring increases the volume slowly so that you are not surprised by suddenly loud signal. With the system volume knob, you can adjust the complete volume of a system if you use a subwoofer in a 2.1 system. That means you go with a stereo signal into the subwoofer, and then the outputs of the subwoofer are connected to the satellites. So this is a 2.1 system, a typical 2.1 system. And now you can adjust the volume of this complete system just with turning the knob. You can also adjust only the volume of the subwoofer unit. For that, you need to turn the knob below. Then the subwoofer level is changing independently from the satellite. It is also important to set different frequency settings. Also, this is accessible with the front knob. So press the knob shortly one time, and then you see a blinking LED, in this case for the satellite filter. Pressing again this knob, and then you can choose the different settings of the satellite filter. After some seconds, it goes back to the previous volume mode. To enter the next function, just press a button, the LED is blinking, and now with turning the knob you can choose the next filter section, and here press again, then the blinking stops, and now you can change the filter value of the subwoofers. That means now the subwoofer is running from the lowest frequency, depending from the subwoofer type, to 60 Hz in steps to 140 Hz, what you can choose, or LFE mode. LFE is a frequency range from the lowest frequency, what a subwoofer can do, up to 300 Hz. The next function is phase. Sometimes there's a need to adjust the phase, and you can have here an easy access to phase shift. Just press the button again, go to phase, press again, and then you see the phase is changed. And you can also see an user feedback. So if you change the phase, of course it is shown in the LED. Also, you see here an infrared window. All functions are accessible to the infrared remote control in the package of the subwoofer. So you can adjust the system volume, the subwoofer volume, the satellite frequency, the subwoofer frequency range, and the subwoofer phase from the remote control. Also, you have access to the LED brightness. There are 4 modes. Now this mode is called line, so you see all LEDs in line. Another mode is dot mode, so only one LED is showing the value, and then you have these both modes also in quite dark for cinema applications. To switch the unit in standby mode, you just have to press the button some seconds longer, and then you see the volume decreases, and then the subwoofer goes into standby mode. On the back side you will find dip switches where you can choose between standby and continuous mode. So in standby mode, if a signal comes through the subwoofer, then the subwoofer switches on and increases the signal slowly. So in the end, I would like to show you the remote control that comes with every subwoofer. So you see all the knobs, all the functions on the remote control as well. So we have system volume, we have subwoofer volume, we have the filter for the subwoofer. Then you have here the pure satellite knob. The pure satellite is used when you want to have the satellites running without any filtering and without subwoofer. The same function is accessible also with a front panel here. Just press the button and immediately the satellites are running without any filtering, without subwoofer, and you see here also a satellite flat LED appears. Of course, phase you have, and LED brightness you can also adjust from the or via remote control, and you have here a main mute button, and if you press this mute button, then immediately the system, of course including satellites, are muted.